Today we're looking at the EVIQO EV Power Home EV Charger. This company took a different approach. What they've done is they surveyed about 1,800 EV owners, and they wanted to know their pain points to build their new product. So as a result, what we have here is a 25-foot cord, as well as a 3-foot input cord for the NEMA 1450 plug. This is about double the length of a standard input plug and makes installation a breeze. Now this is a 48 amp capable home charging station, but out of the box it's set to 40 amps because it's assuming most people are going to use an outlet. The cord is 25 feet long. It uses 9-gauge wiring, so it's made to withstand 48 amps. And then the connector here is a J1772, although the owner of the company said they're working on a NACS capable unit, but for this one you're going to have to use an adapter to charge a Tesla. Now this connector here, it's fully rubberized. It feels great in the hand, and it uses metallic buttons for the release tab, and it has a metallic clasp. Most of these are made of plastic, so this specific one is built to last, and it's built to withstand drops. The EVIQO app is really good because it gives you all of this useful information on the home screen. You can then configure your schedules on this screen. You can have a delayed start from the moment you plug in, or you can have 3 customizable schedules, and you can even set amperage modes specific to the schedule. Then you have configurable electricity rates under settings. So you have the base plan and 3 configurable plans that are customizable to the day of the week. And then finally, based on these rates, we have your cost estimates for charging in kilowatt hours and in dollars based on the amounts you've put in. And unlike other EV chargers, EVIQO lets you adjust the amperage modes live during a charging session. So you can see I set it to 27 amps. And this is going to be reflected on the Tesla app for me at the same time, which is pretty cool.